See you in person. Welcome to the Stock Exchange for what you said was the first time in a couple of years. So welcome back.
Thank you.
What's it like, first and foremost, being the CIO of any asset manager at the particular time we're having this conversation?
It is nerve-wracking. It's not easy. It's, a lot of that is going back to, how many years I have been doing this or other CIOs have been doing this, realizing that business cycles exist. Probabilities of recession exist, and there is high interest rates, there is high inflation, there's a lot of things that actually do exist.
So what does all of that experience tell you about not only where we are, but where we might be heading?
Well, we're going into a lot of transitions right now. When you put all this into context, think about this. We're going from no inflation to 40-year high inflation. We're going to very low to minimal, in some parts of the world, negative interest rates to higher interest rates. We're going to no volatility to high volatility. High liquidity to lower liquidity as the Fed, unwinds the balance sheet. So we're seeing a significant amount of transitions that are happening at the same time when we still have COVID, when we still have a war in Ukraine. So all those things create a significant amount of anxiety. Now, what the market does is something unpredictable. The market doesn't like uncertainty. The market likes to just figure out what is going to happen in the future. Mm-hmm. And in many cases, the challenge right now is that there's no answers.
So how is all of that affecting your decision making? Like what are you doing relative to, let's say, what you were doing 6 months ago?
Well, the big part of the process is continue to emphasize, and we emphasize this to all our clients, market timing is not the strategy. Trying to find when will that be the bottom or when you actually get back in or out of the market is something that we try to prevent at all costs. Thinking about the long-term effects of the investment strategy tends to be the right place to be. We tend to say time in the market is more opportune and better strategy than timing the market.